Got a reasonable sized garden here, all ready for a big bonfire here. Looks like this little shed there. Dilapidated buildings here. Skip there. A lot of refurbishments here. The garage is a bit worse for wear. As I say, big bonfire here, ready to go. Back of the garage there. Quite a big plot here. Bit of cultivation with the garden here. And a big extension on the rear here. A nice Worcester boiler there, although it's the older style. Analog. Extension on the property here. Somebody spent some money on the place. Oh, skip here. Got the rather dilapidated garage here. All the refurbishments here. Large back garden and a reasonable sized house alongside. Rubbish here to be burnt up, old wood and everything. Looks like an old shed there. Disappear, or else it's part of the garage. Old plant pots, full of remains of an old greenhouse. Bit of cultivation there. Wonder if there's an outside carsy here. An old carsy now. Old wood here. And ongoing works here.